I'm just gonna retire them because I think they've lived a good life so far. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynn, for those of you new. I feel like the nesting is kicking in for me. I'm currently 34 weeks pregnant and I don't even know when this video is gonna go up, but I figured I'm just gonna start because, yeah, my house needs some attention and the weeks are kind of going by pretty quickly. I don't know if it will be done all at once. I doubt it. I'm probably gonna work on it in spurts, but I wanted to kind of share with you some things and just give you some motivation. Really feel like I need to go through the house and just totally be ruthless, because with a new baby, you collect new things, and half of the stuff that the boys have, they really don't use or play with, whether it's clothes or toys or whatever. And our closet is driving me nuts, and I've gone through this thing a couple times already, but with my maternity clothes, I have some of those, and then I have some of my regular clothes in storage, and there's other things that I'm storing. It needs help. So I hope that this video will give you some motivation, and I also just need to get it done for me. This is my little storage closet, and I don't have good lighting, but I have like extra pots and pans, cleaning supplies, my vacuum. I usually put the boys' backpacks and stuff in here. So I'm just kind of going through it quickly. I should just have some command strips, but I'm out of them right now, so I'm just using some nails. At least I'll get it off the floor. I don't know why I didn't do it before. It's just one of those things. Okay, got rid of a few things. So this cabinet up here is kind of my extra nice dishes collect-all place, and I'm trying to find a place to stash like baby stuff, like bottles, sippy cups, and things like that. So I'm gonna see if I can keep this space empty here, and I think I can. I got rid of a few little things. Some of it's like extra containers for like decorating and stuff. I just kind of like put them in there because I have the room and it's like easy to access, but I may have to relocate a few things. But I think I'm gonna try to leave that empty to put some of the new baby gear that always comes with babies. I think I might actually use like this one. I rarely use it, but sometimes it's nice to have it on hand. I think it's a Longaberger piece. Someone had given it for a wedding gift and I just haven't ever gotten rid of it. So I think I might actually use this to put some things in.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race.
So I quickly went through the pantry and got rid of a few things that are either old or, you know, that kind of thing. It's looking pretty good, but obviously this is something I go through quite a bit. So I guess this is kind of turning into a decluttering and reorganizing video. So I'm in the laundry room, and this space desperately needs help. It's like completely unfinished, but I won't go into that. That's a future project. But I moved this grain cabinet out here that I had just around the corner, and it's kind of our office. But I'm gonna put some of my laundry supplies in here. That way I don't have to store them on top of the washer and dryer, and it's kind of like out of sight. And I'll see how that works for now. Eventually I want to put a shelf and stuff above the washer and dryer, but hooks here, yada yada. It needs organization, but I am going to put that stuff in here for now, and that way it doesn't look quite as cluttered on the washer and dryer. So these I'm donating. This is getting donated. This one I'm keeping. I love baskets, so it's empty at least. And up until now, I have filled up pretty much a whole garbage bag of just trash. And it's pretty heavy, so I'm happy about that. And then this bag is things I've found from downstairs here. I think I'm about ready to go upstairs. Okay, I'm in the boys' room. I'm gonna try to be ruthless. Even Jackson's clothes especially, he's kind of picky about what he wears, and half of the clothes he has, even though they're hand-me-downs from Caden, he just never wants to wear them. And even though I try to get him to wear them, you know, then it's a struggle, whatever. So I'm gonna see what I can pare down. There's no point in keeping them. And some of the toys I am just gonna get rid of because I know they don't really play with them much anymore, and they don't miss them. I know there's Christmas coming and stuff like that, so I'm gonna see what I can do up here. I think I'm gonna start designating one of these bins for the boys' school stuff. And to be honest, I don't keep a lot of it. They bring home papers like Kaden brings stuff home pretty much daily, and Jackson brings stuff home like every weekend. So I'm keeping a couple of the more special items, but they're gonna collect so many things and I just can't have this much paper stuff around. So hopefully this will work out. I'll put it on the top shelf in the closet, and then I'll just have to put it in there as I'm saving it, I guess. Okay, I feel very good about their room. I can actually see what they have left. So while the closet is not ideal as far as organized, it's a lot less full, and that makes me really happy. And this thing is also a lot less full, so that is really exciting to me. Just feels a lot less cluttered, and I'm excited. So I'm over in our bedroom, and I'm actually really excited because I emptied 2 bins here in my nightstand. It's not really a great nightstand, but I had like blocks and magnets in there from the boys, and so I pared down some of these. These I'm gonna be donating because the boys don't really play with them, but I still want to keep some of them for baby girl down the line. And it's some of those classic toys that I don't mind keeping, even, you know, for down the road. You never know. Looking legit, you guys. I'm amazed at how often you can declutter and still find things. But some of the stuff I've had for years, I kid you not, years, like before I was married, literally, some pajamas and stuff. I'm just gonna retire them because I think they've lived a good life so far. But I found some things that I'm gonna use at the house that we're working on, maybe to decorate. And the rest, mostly, is probably just going to be donated, I'm guessing. I personally, I do not like messing with shipping. Like, I just don't like shipping stuff. And right now, I'm just, like, too busy to be able to, like, mess with the online stuff. So most of the stuff I'll probably donate. I might have a couple pieces that I'll sell or something. Some maternity pieces that I really didn't wear much, but I'm being pretty ruthless. I think I might send some stuff to thread up. That wouldn't be too hard. You can fill a bag and send it back, and I actually have one here. So especially with some of the clothes that, you know, I didn't wear much, I might do that actually. It's a good idea. Okay, so I think I'm feeling good about the upstairs. I can't believe I actually got it all done today. I'm actually really happy because that means I don't need to worry about it anymore. So I have no idea how long the video is going to be. But this is all donations. There's 3 garbage bags and then one really big clear one that isn't completely full. And then I have about 2 garbage bags full of just stuff I need to throw away, and then another bag that I'm donating to, or sending to ThredUp, see if I can make a little money off of a couple pieces at least. But this mom is feeling very, very excited about everything. It's another thing that's off of my to-do list, and I don't know. I feel like I have some empty spaces, which makes me so happy, and I'll show you guys the closet and everything. I have a couple of empty drawers over there by my nightstand, I think like 2 or so. So that is exciting in itself, because that means, you know, I don't even need it. So our closet feels a lot lighter to me. This is clear. I'm so happy about it. I cleaned out some things majorly, and I got rid of a couple pairs of shoes, but this shelf is not all full. I was able to put my bags in one of those and clean out some clothes. It just feels really good. So I never finished out the video, so this is a different week actually, but I hope this video was motivating for you guys. And I actually feel like it could be really beneficial to do it before Christmas. I know a lot of people, and including myself, like to kind of do it in the beginning of the year, you know, get a fresh start, which is good, of course. And I do it periodically throughout the year, but it always feels good to do it in January. But I also think that it's a good thing to do before Christmas, and even, you know, I know Thanksgiving is past, but like it just, things tend to be really busy, and you collect extra stuff, gifts, whatnot, and so it just feels good knowing that I don't have all of the extra stuff in here before things get chaotic, especially with a new baby coming and everything. I hope it gave you guys some motivation. I am currently, I think I said I was 34 weeks at the beginning of the video. I think I'm now nearing the, what is it, 36 week mark, something like that. 35, I'm like 35 weeks right now. So anyway, I'm really ready for her to be here. I am just, I don't know, I'm getting a little impatient. There's things that I can still do and everything, but I am just really ready for her to be here. So anyway, you guys can pray for me, and I just thank you all for supporting me, and also thank you for all the love on my Christmas decorating video and everything, and just supporting me through all of the stuff that we're doing, and just for supporting our family. Especially this time of the year, I just want to take the time to thank you guys and just tell you that, and just know that I mean it. So I hope you all have a really good day, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button if you stayed around this long. That's it, you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.